Step inside a world where silence speaks volumes. The Billionaire's modern library, crafted not just for reading, but for reflection, power, and presence. Sleek glass shelves cradle centuries-old books, while ambient lighting dances across polished ebony floors. A fireplace flickers beneath a sculptural wall, and hidden panels reveal rare collections worth millions. Every inch of this space is curated for the mind of a mogul, minimalist in design, yet limitless in depth. This isn't just where knowledge is stored, it's where empires are imagined.